This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. #Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
#Go.
आज मेरे साथ जो मौजूद हैं वो बस उन्हें यहाँ पर एमएमटी में आए हुए 45 डेज ही हुए हैं. Seems like she has blended into the family pretty well, and you'll find out why I'm saying that, because she's very calm, she's very confident about what she's doing. From the Human Resources Department, Simran Mohapatra, who's based out of Bangalore, but her heart, I think, beats for every city of the country. Lots of experiences that she's taken. We're going to touch upon that too. My name is Annie. This is Go MMT Radio. The show is called Badhai Ho. Simran, Badhai Ho on joining MMT.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you so much. It feels great to be a part of the MMT team.
Human resources, lots of work that you need to end up doing because there's just literally a lot of human resources at MMT.
For sure, Annie. We are a team who do a lot more than just making rangolis, pun intended.
Yeah.
But then we are here for all the people who build each and every part of MMT that it is today. So yeah, very excited to be a part of this team.
How nice. Where were you before this? Tell me a little about your experience of where you come from in terms of, the job that you did before this and how different it was.
So Annie, I was with Tata Steel, Jamshedpur previously, and I was a HRBP there too. I had worked with a lot of roughly 400 to 500 blue-collared employees, and I was their go-to person for any of their day-to-day, problems or grievances. I had to handle a union as well because it was a manufacturing setup. So quite a different experience to say the least. And all the way from there, I have jumped back into a fast-moving, organization like Make My Trip. Before Tata Steel, I was with Accenture in Bangalore itself. I'm also an engineer. So a blend of engineer plus HR is what and who I am. And yeah, taking it as it comes for myself.
From being an engineer to an HR professional, come on, that shift is too much.
It sure is, but I think I got a epiphany for that. I think because I'm also a part-time Zumba instructor, fully licensed. So I connected with people from the very beginning, wherein I started teaching classes, and a lot of people gave me feedback, and I think that's where the people connect just came and flow through me naturally, and that's how engineering and then HR and then all of it combined is where I am today.
Oh, not bad at all, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
ब्रो, पीपीटी बना ली? अब मूड भी बना लो फन करने का हमारे साथ.
Go MMT Radio. #Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
#Go.
Badhai ho, and I'm saying congratulations to Simran Mohapatra, who's just in the system since 45 days now, based out of Bangalore. So your experience in Jamshedpur and then your experience being back home in Bangalore, this is where you
Yes.
grew up. It's been quite enriching, I believe.
It has been, Annie, because I got to explore the east side of the country. There's so much to look forward to, the places there as well. But yeah, always happy to be back to Bangalore because I have been brought up here, and I do enjoy the traffic. So my commute's been like, every day it's been an hour or two, but I'm still a Bangalorean by heart. So nothing can take that away from me.
That is so true. But I believe back in the East or in Jharkhand when you were, there were these unique festivals and these unique experiences you had, which I would love to touch upon. But that's going to be a little later. For now, it's time for the Bollywood quiz that you've picked. Are you ready for this?
Yes, Annie, let's go.
The one that was directed by Farhan Akhtar. I'm talking about Dawn. Who were the lead actors in this movie?
The lead actors were Shah Rukh Khan,
Yes.
Arjun Rampal.
I just need two of them, which is the
Two of them? Okay.
female
Priyanka
and the
Chopra.
male. Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan.
That is correct. Moving on to the next question. Now, which is the movie that has an alien coming down to kind of try and teach you things? Now, this is where the lead actor, who's the alien, lands on Earth and befriends a journalist.
Okay, this is a little tricky because I'm kind of confused. This is Amir Khan.
Yes, it is Amir Khan. We're talking about PK. Yes. Moving on to the film that revolves around a wrestler, and it has Salman in the lead role.
I know it. It's just I think it was Sultan. It was Sultan. Yeah.
That is correct. Which movie is this from? Okay, listen carefully. डरे हुए लोग अक्सर अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपते हैं. I'll give you options to make it a little simpler. दिलवाले, मुस्कान, ए दिल है मुश्किल, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
Okay, this might be a little tricky.
अक्सर अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपते हैं कि वो वाइल्ड गेस. फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, दिलवाले, मुस्कान या ए दिल है मुश्किल.
Let me take it as ए दिल है मुश्किल.
It is correct. Oh my god.
Great. I remember hearing this out there, so I thought it might be that. Yeah.
What was Katrina Kaif's name, if you're good with this memory when it comes to names, in Dhoom 3? Again,
Katrina
let's make
Kaif's
it,
name
in Dhoom 3.
Dhoom 3.
Let me make it simpler for you. Alia, Natasha, Simran or Kratika?
It was,
Alia.
I think it was Alia.
Yes, that is correct. Okay, do you remember what Akshay Kumar's name was, first name, in Tees Maar Khan? Was it Tabrez, Rocco, Rahul ya Arav?
Could you repeat the
Question?
names again, Annie? Yeah.
Yeah, Akshay Kumar's first name in Tees Maar Khan. Tabrez,
Khan.
Rocco,
Okay.
Rahul or Arav?
I think it was Tabriz.
That is correct. Oh my god, you're good.
Oh god.
And the last question, which actress is in the movie Slumdog Millionaire? Is it Rehan Wood, Katrina Kaif or Frida Pinto?
It was Frida Pinto, for
That
sure.
is correct. Okay, well done. What are some of the other cities or countries you have visited? Say, give me 2 or 3 names.
So, Annie, I have visited obviously Thailand, Bali in Indonesia, even Lombok,
Oh, nice.
Andamans. I love the beach there, especially in the Andamans. Within India, I've seen the entire south, I would say. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, parts of the, Telangana, even Maharashtra. I think I've covered quite a bit from length to breadth. I do have the entire mountain, part of it pending in the north.
Okay.
But I'm more of a beach person, so I guess that still requires a lot of exploration.
I'm sure Kerala, you must have enjoyed the beaches, even for that matter, Mumbai, if you've come to Mumbai to the beaches.
Oh, yes. Yeah. The beaches are great. I don't know, it might be just me, but I feel that the Bay of Bengal beaches are way cleaner than the Arabian Sea ones. So that might spike up a debate, but then...
I come from the Bay and, unfortunately, thanks to the oil rigs and thanks to being a small island and being highly populated, I mean, the density of population over there is obnoxious. So, whereas, of course, Bay of Bengal is beautiful. It's not only picturesque, but really, although now, since more and more people are kind of getting to explore or going to explore because travel has become such a big deal, people are messing things up there too.
Yeah.
But won't be hopefully at the level that you see back in, Bay. Although things are improving here also. I mean, things are very different now over here. That's cool. So one quick, unique experience of Jharkhand when you were there before we move into the next song.
So, Annie, I think, there were these beautiful things that I did see because Jharkhand is so rich with their forests and, even the Naxalite area, right?
Yeah.
So they do have a lot of faith and devotion towards the forests and the people that protect it. So they have this festival called the Sarna, wherein they worship the trees or the forest gods who provide them with that shelter, to maintain that kind of cover for the wildlife that is present and also the things that you take from the forest, right? From the trunks to do, the furniture or anything for that matter. So every year in April, they do have this festival called Sarna in Jharkhand where they honor the people in and around that village of the forest and also pay homage to the trees and all the environment that surrounds it. Yeah, it's a big festival there and it was beautiful to see something like this exist where they actually care for, what is giving them the life that they live there. It was beautiful because I think in the city life, we tend to forget a lot of these things.
Oh, we forget almost everything.
almost everything, right? So I think seeing something like this was very nice, would be a small word, but I think a life-altering experience is to be grateful for things that are around you.
Yeah.
That changed my perspective for a lot of things, and seeing a lot of things even ground up, right? It makes a lot of difference.
Hello, I'm Divakar Parikh and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
Simran Mohapatra from Human Resources, based out of Bangalore, on Badhai Ho today. The induction immersion programs, I have heard only positive things from everyone. Can you tell me what was yours like?
To start off with, Annie, even though it was really cold when I got to my immersion program in Delhi, other than that, I think I've had the most fun sessions that there were. None of the sessions were boring. I think a special mention to the entire team who has pulled off the immersion program so well. And we have had, entertainment pieces, games, a lot of fun activities, a lot of speakers, their real-time insights about what's been going on inside MMT. All of it, in one nutshell, was a great, great experience. We even had a market visit. Even that was a lot of fun to explore what really goes behind the scenes. Yeah, those 5 days will always stay with me, and they were an extremely, extremely fun batch who I was present with.
Oh, that's good. I guess it just changes also your readiness for a new job that you're taking up. 5 days is a lot.
The business insights to understand the market better, anything that you'd want to know. And the best part is it's, structured for the entire audience. You're not only a techie there, or you're not only a human resource person or a marketing person, right? It speaks about MMT on whole. And I think that is a great, great stepping stone for anyone joining us. And it was very enriching. It was really, really enriching to know each and everything. And especially I enjoyed the sessions from the founders and the CEOs. They were a lot of fun. It was great interacting with them, and it gave a personal feel. And also the discounts that we were offered for the Foucault Charter, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So a lot of things were done for us, and it was a great, great time.
The rapid fire round.
Rainbow के कितने colors हैं?
I think 5.
Okay. सबसे तेज चलने वाला vehicle?
Probably an auto.
फुटबॉल को किससे किक करते हो?
अपने हाथ से.
क्या बात है. कितने महीने होते हैं एक साल में?
8 महीने होते हैं एक साल में.
आइस कैसे होता है, हॉट या कोल्ड?
एक्सट्रीमली हॉट.
कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन क्या है?
कीबोर्ड.
कार चलाने के लिए क्या चाहिए?
पैर.
अर्थ के कितने कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं?
4, I guess. 4, yeah.
सन का टेम्परेचर हॉट है या कोल्ड?
It's like Antarctica, extremely cold.
Okay. पेंसिल से क्या लिखते हो?
पेंसिल से क्या लिखते हो? अपने दिल की बात.
क्या बात है. एक हाथ में कितनी उंगलियां होती हैं?
5.
ट्रेन कहाँ पर चलती है?
रनवे पे.
शुगर का टेस्ट?
शुगर का टेस्ट खट्टा, सावर.
ओशन का पानी कैसा होता है, स्वीट या सॉल्टी?
एक्सट्रीमली स्वीट.
ह्यूमन हार्ट कितने चेम्बर्स का होता है?
One chamber.
Well done. That was really sweet. I hope you enjoyed yourself too, Simran.
I had a blast, Annie. Thank you so much. It was a lot of fun.
Here's wishing you all the very best with all the dreams that you have woven up for yourself, the ones that you're looking forward to, through all the challenges. May you just, go pacing through and come out successful. All the best.
Thank you so much, Annie. Means a lot. Thank you so much.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.